Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, we'll be creating a Google group invitation using a poll in Outlook. So let's start. So I'm just typing Outlook. So then you need to sign in the Outlook with your Microsoft account. So when you are signed in, just go to a new email. Suppose the persons whom you want to invite, like I'm going to invite like my same another email account. So put the title of the meeting, kickoff meeting, availability. Or suppose on road project of 10-15. Okay. So I'm not typing any formal things. You have to type formal things for the invitation. Then go to the insert and you'll find the polls. So enter your question here and the option. Suppose it's Saturday from 9 to 12. 8 to 11 p.m. And like if you want to add more options like Monday to 1 to 4 p.m. or if you want more options like Friday 3 to 6 p.m. Okay, so I'm selecting the multiple selections. In that way, people can vote on multiple options. You can add more questions in your meeting, like in other devices. So you can Sunday or anything you can type in. So I'm not adding that one. So this is done. When you are done, just go to preview. As we'll see the same thing like when the dates are available. Just send the invitation to the desired people whom you want. Let me check if I have received it or not. Still not. Yes, I've received it. Let's go to the invitation. So you see, it created a it created a Microsoft form where you can vote your availability for the meeting. Suppose like I'm available on Sunday, Monday, and Friday, and like any other preferences. No, I don't have any other preferences. I'll not be voting. So just vote. Your response is submitted. Let's see we have received anything here. So I'm just getting it refreshed. So let's see. So here you can see, just quickly zoom in. Here you can see the email that you sent for the kickoff meeting availability. Go to the results and you see that 30, like the percentage of people voted on the options that you have created. So in this way you can create quickly a poll to your clients or for getting a meeting set up. That's all in this video. Thank you so much.